This video covers the IGCSE Biology Objective 10.1.11c on the 2025 CAIE syllabus to outline the process of vaccination. And in this video, we're going to look at the memory cells. So in the process of vaccination, we've talked about the fact that weakened pathogen or its antigens are injected into the human body. And as a result of this, antibodies are produced by the body's lymphocytes. In addition to that, memory cells are produced that's going to give long-term immunity. The reason being is that these memory cells are long-living and they'll survive in the body for many years. Now, what happens with these memory cells? Well, these memory cells give us what's called immunity. If we look at this graph, we can see that there is a significant difference between the first exposure to a pathogen and a second exposure to the same pathogen. And so if a second infection occurs with the same pathogen, the memory cells are going to react more vigorously and produce antibodies much faster than with the initial exposure. And that's because in initial exposure, the immune system needs time to identify the antigen and then build the antibodies and produce the memory cells. But if the memory cells are already there, then the antibodies are going to be built much quicker because that component is already in the human body, in the bloodstream. So as they're produced faster, the pathogen itself will not be able to reproduce in sufficient amounts to cause disease symptom, and because pathogen exposure no longer causes disease, then an individual becomes immune to that particular disease.